Hi, my name is Angela McAleese, and today we'll be talking about arrays. By now we should all know that a variable is a container for storing information. An array is a special type of variable that can store multiple values. An array is always in a key-value pair. In the bottom example, the key is the index position in the array, so the index position always starts at 0. Salad, being in the first position, has a key of 0. Soup would have a key of 2. The value, of course, is the value stored at the position. So if the key is 1, the value is pizza. There are 3 types of arrays: indexed, associative, and multidimensional. The key in an indexed array is always an integer. Use an indexed array when the order of the information matters. Sorting numerically is easy. You can see the key is located in brackets on the left, and the value it equals is on the right. The key in an associative array is a word or a string. In PHP, you assign the value to a key by using the equals and the greater than sign. The strings must be in quotes, and the key value pairs separated by a comma. Use an associative array when the order of the information doesn't matter. A multidimensional array is basically the same, except the keys can contain another array as its value. A multidimensional array is an array of arrays. Arrays are essential to programming in PHP and back-end web development. Storing and retrieving the data stored in an array is something every developer should understand. To retrieve information from an array, you would reference the specific key. In the first example, which shows an indexed array, you can see that we are calling for display the meal array's first index, 0. That will display salad. The second line calls for the third index, which is 2, 0, 1, 2, and will display soup. In the second example, which shows an associative array, we are calling for display the meal array's lunch key, which will display pizza. The second line calls the dinner key and will display soup. In a multidimensional array, the process is similar but requires additional layers of reference. In this example, we are calling for display the key lunch with the key index of 2. This will display soup, as it is found in the lunch array in the third position, 0, 1, 2. Take a look at the last example and determine what it will display. If you said enchiladas, you are correct. In order to retrieve all the values from an array, we would use loops. Although the topic of for and for each loops will be the subject of another teaching presentation, I thought it was very helpful to see in context with a discussion about arrays. For those who have taken JavaScript programming previously, it will look very familiar with a few additions for PHP language, namely the $ and variable assignments. So to summarize, an array is a variable that can store multiple values. An array is always in a key-value pair. An indexed array is the most basic array, has integers for its key, and should be used when the order of the information is important. An associative array uses strings for the key and can be used when the order of information doesn't matter. A multidimensional array is an array of arrays and can be several layers deep. Anyone working in any programming field should understand arrays and how to use them.